Hi, I'm Joan Lok. In the upcoming workshop of sumi-e landscape, I'll be teaching waterfall, but not just regular waterfall, but as cascading waterfall that are stepped and also lower. The reason why I do that is because in my previous landscape workshop, one of my students actually emailed me and she said, Joan, I live in New England. I actually don't see any of those really long and big waterfall in my backyard, but I do see little brooks, little waterfall or cascades that come from a little stream and then move down a little bit. So I think it's kind of fun to work on that. So in this workshop, we will actually focus on not just waterfall, but waterfall that are stepped, not like a Niagara Fall that is, like thousands of gallons of water rushing down a very big and tall cliff, like the St. Angel Fall or the Niagara, but basically in steps that from the tall hill or mountain coming down, and then each step of the way kind of have a little leveled, and then there may be multiple steps before it reach the bottom, or it will go from a far distance, but then at the bottom would have one or two steps. So in this workshop, we'll focus on how to paint this. And as students who have taken my waterfall workshop would know, water is basically the white of the paper. So what we are focusing is actually in the Western art world called negative painting. We are painting in between, we are basically painting the rocks. So in this particular workshop, we'll focus on how to actually design the rocks, design the steps, so we can convincingly let people know that the water is falling between the rocks, and then the structure of the landscape with the water are all gone are actually steps. So in this workshop, cascade and step waterfall will focus on that, and I hope you will join me because regardless where you live, hopefully you will find one in your backyard. Thank you.